Welcome back to German Brew. Today our Blueberry Date Mead. So this one we start in October the 8th and today is January. What January is today? 28th. So already more than almost 3 months. So 2 months and a half. It's done, I think. We have a lot of blueberries inside. For this we use Lindenblossom Honey or Lindenblossom Honey, also known as lemon blossom honey. And so we will try it, we will wreck it, and we will see. Hopefully we can bottle it. I see here a lot of blueberries inside, but I'm pretty sure we can bottle it. Hopefully when it's a little bit cloudy, it's no problem. So let's smell first. Smells like wine. Of course, we have here a lot of blueberries. When I remember right, we're using 4 glasses. We use 4 glasses with 125 gram blueberries inside, and altogether it was 350 gram with the liquid. And so, yes, it's a lot. Almost 1.5 liters. Then we put 2.2 liter water and we put 760 gram Lindenblossom honey. We also use this time some nutrients, I see, and we use a table wine yeast. It's 10% yeast or 11% yeast. I don't write it here down. I think it was 11% yeast. We will try. So first of all, we need to rack. Hopefully we don't have problems. Everything here is sanitized with hot water. Here I use 70 degrees water. I know it's not perfect, but it's the best I can do. And the other thing, for example, this fermenter here is steamed, so more than 100 degrees. And also this one here, I put 100 degrees hot water inside. For the plastic parts, I order now some sanitizer on alcohol base. So let's see that we get okay. I get parts with me. Okay, racking was a horror. I just can say it because it don't work. You see, it's just also half. I filter it. It makes a lot of oxygen inside, I'm sure. So we hopefully on the safe side. I make it now like this. I filter out almost a lot of things, but it's far from clear. Let's see. Hopefully it's still dry. It's dry. Oh, it's completely dry. That's a good sign. Okay, so vinegar, I don't need to fear. I put a little bit more. .000. It's even a little bit lower. 0.998. Completely dry. So the good thing is it's completely dry, and that means we have a lot of alcohol. We start with 1.100. That means we have 13.5% around. Let's see, a little bit for us. The rest back in the fermenter. I think it's completely dry from the taste, of course. Maybe the blueberries give it a little bit more sweetness from the filling, but we will see. Smelling, it's really neutral. I can't smell honey or some fruit. It's just a little bit alcohol and really neutral. A little bit fruity in the end. Let's try. The taste is different. It's completely dry. But first you get a sweetness from the fruit. Wow. And you can taste the Lindenblossom honey with some fruitness. I think the Lindenblossom honey makes a good mead. That's the first I taste, the Lindenblossom honey. The blueberries just give me some fruitiness, not enough to think I will use it again like I use it now. Just a little bit fruitiness, and the date I don't even taste. It's a nice mead, but not so fruity like I thought. Really dry. I'm sure if I sweet it back, it gives me more of the fruit. But I think I like it like this. Completely dry. That's fruit, mead, for people who like dry. I think it's nice for drinking to a steak, maybe. The Linden blossom is really there. That's the first thing you taste. So I need to make a Linden blossom mead. Just check my microphone is still on. Yes, it's good. By the way, if you're asked why I wear today this shirt, my other shirts are dirty. I need to order more. If you want to order also, here down there is the link in the info box. I like it. That's a good thing. It was difficult to get it from the fruit, but also there is some fruitness. It can be blueberries. The color is amazing. It's not clear, it's far from clear, but the color is amazing. It's a really rich red, but far from clear. I also don't want to clear it now. I bottle like it is. Okay, normally I prepared 3 bottles. I know now I maybe get 2.5 maximum. It's a little bit more than 1 liter, 1.5 liter. Maybe I just get 2. We will try to get 2. This bottle are recycled, so I ask it's a glass container to give me the bottles. I make a small container there, and they put bottles. I clean this bottle really well. I steamed it now, and now I will refill them. It's good for home brewing, so you don't need to buy new bottles. Also, I'm thinking to use it maybe also later, this technique, because the bottles are good. I just need to buy other caps. These caps are also cleaned and put in 90 degrees hot water. So, after I clean this again, it's really a mess. It was full with blueberry parts and other blueberry things. I don't know, the blueberries really don't like to ferment, I think. It really looks good here in the tube. Okay, like I said, 2 and almost a half bottle. This one we can drink fast. This one I will storage, maybe one I will give away. Or also we will drink it. We will see. I know the next time when I will do it, maybe just with the juice, not with the blueberries. That's a good try, I think. The blueberries make it more difficult. Maybe eating the blueberries using just the juice. We try it again. And I like it. Maybe it's because of the Lindenblossom Honey and not of the blueberries, but it's a success. Even though the table wine yeast, I think really it's a 10% yeast, not higher. It's 13.5% with the nutrients and the fruits. So maybe blueberries are also a perfect nutrient. I hope you liked the video anyway. It was really hard for me to remove the liquid from the fermenter, but I get it. I didn't show it to you, I'm sorry, but it just used filter and it needs a long time. Even in the time it becomes dark and I need to put a light. It's a long time and it really needs work. Okay, we have here some meat. Next time we will start one again. I also have one meat idea already. And we still have 3 finished meat. 2 of them are really old. One of them is still from 2022. And I just saw it's still in the cabinet and still not bottled. So I don't even know what kind of meat. I think it's a peach meat or it's that's the question, what kind of meat it is. And I still have a peppermint meat. Let's see. So we'll see you the next time. Bye.